Hamster Kombat Today Daily Cipher. Don't miss Today Code to get 1 million coins. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you today Daily Cipher Code. As always, tap on Daily Cipher so that the color will change to indicate it's active. Now let's get the first code for today. The first code for today is the letter S, which is represented by ... That's 3 dots in a row. The second code for today is the letter H, which is represented by ... That's 4 dots in a row. The next code for today is the letter A, which is ... The next code for today is the letter R, which is ... The next code is the letter D, which is ... Got it. And the final code for today is the letter S again, which is ... Don't miss out on these codes and make sure you claim your prizes. And this is Today Daily Cipher Code. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.